Hi, this is going to be a real quick update on some storage transceivers that have been enabled for the HPE Aruba CX 8325 with the 1013 code. My name's Steve Baker. I'm a technical marketing engineer. Let's just kick it right off. So like I said, a quick update. I'll cover a quick overview, a refresher of what was added in 1012, and then cover what was added in 1013. So, just for an overview, of course, everybody should already know this. What is an AOC, DAC, and transceiver? Of course, a transceiver is a combination transmitter receiver, which comes in a little single package. It often can apply to wireless communication devices, but again, it's also used for devices in cable and optical fiber systems. Direct attach cables are copper cable assemblies. They're made from twin-ax cable, and of course at each end they're terminated with transceiver housings. They come in passive and active variants, and the lengths vary. Typically 7 meters is really common, but they come in shorter as well as longer, and they typically use less than 0.15 watts of power. AOCs, or active optical cables, are fiber optical cable assemblies. Very much like a DAC, they're terminated with transceiver housings on each end. Again, ranges vary from 1 meter to, let's say, 100 meters, and they typically use about 1 watt of power. And inside that AOC cable are multiple multimode fibers that allow that transmit and receive functionality. And of course, data rate, this is the unit of measure for, transceivers, optical, DACs, and copper cables and AOCs. The data rates range from 100 megabits all the way at the very bottom there, all the way up to today we're leveraging 400 gigabits using optical and AOC cables. And of course, everything in between. 10 and 25 gig are still really common for our server connectivity, and 100 gig connectivity is really common for our leaf to spine connectivity, but 400 gig is starting to take over. So just a quick refresher, what was added in 1012. The following list of HPE storage transceivers were added to SPOC as SPOC certified for the CX8325. You can see there's a variety of them, a handful of M series ranging from the 10 gig SR to the 25 gig 1 meter DAC, a 40 gig SR transceiver, as well as a 100 gig SR transceiver. We've got a couple C series cables, so a 3 meter and a 5 meter 10 gig cable, and then a variety of 25 gig options, so a SR 30 meter transceiver, 3 meter, 5 meter, and 10 meter AOCs at 25 gigs. So these have all already been added with 1012 into SPOC as SPOC certified for the CX8325. But with 1013, we've continued to add more optics into the SPOC certification stream for the CX8325. Take note, of course, and I should have mentioned this on the last slide too, but these optics are SPOC certified, but they're not supported if a customer is using one of those 100 gig QSA28 adapters. So just going down the list of this new list here, we've enabled a few transceivers that have that pull tab transceiver you can see in the upper right. The first two listed here are extreme temperature ones, which range from 0 to 85 Celsius. We've got a 25 gig 15 meter AOC, as well as a 40 gig splitter to 4 by 10 gig 5 meter AOC, 100 gig 5 meter AOC, a real short DAC, a 0.65 meter 10 gig DAC cable, as well as a 100 gig to 4 by 25 gig 1 meter DAC cable, a 100 gig SWDM transceiver, a couple M series, so 25 gig half meter DAC, as well as a PSM4 100 gig transceiver, and then finally a BL 10 gig SFP plus SR transceiver. So again, these are all listed in SPOC as SPOC certified for the CX8325 as of 1013. So like I said, that was a quick update. I hope that was helpful, and have a great day.